Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and want to get things updated. It's probably not the right word, more so confirmation, because we have several confirmation points here. First thing though, before anything else, I'm going to do some house cleaning and get rid of these lines here and here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but I want to, from a presentation standpoint, I want to try to keep things as clean as possible, not cause clutter with 8 million lines everywhere. And in order to keep things clean at this point, it's all about the purple line, which I've talked about in past videos. So as far as supports are concerned, easiest way to look at that is big picture perspective. As long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So sure, the price has gone sideways a little bit, but sideways doesn't mean that the party's over or anything like that. Consolidation needs to happen, and that's why that using the purple line is usually the easiest way, because again, as long as the price is above that line, then the bulls are in full health. Now, I mentioned the word confirmation earlier, and we really have this in two forms. The first form is right here at $3.20, which I talked about as resistance. And the price did break above it earlier, and we'll get back to that in a second. But then the price ultimately did fall back below it, and after the price fell back below it, you can see confirmation not once, but actually twice, where the price ultimately got rejected back down. So $3.20 confirmed as a level of resistance. The other point of confirmation is when the price did break out during that first 30 minutes, surprise, surprise, look right where it got rejected from, that red line right there, which I mapped out up around the 345 mark. So 320, 345, clearly there's some sellers sitting out there at those levels. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying they can't be broken, but according to the quote-unquote story of the price here, apparently the bulls are going to need to bring their A game if they are going to fight through them. So today, not the most exciting day, but taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, the price is still putting in higher lows. And from the long-term perspective, as long as prices are building higher bases, long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.